Hey y'all, this is a quick update of this 2019 truck that I picked up in Ocala. This is the part they never show you. They never show you the driver that scrubs every wall, scrubs every bump, and use bucket after bucket of water just to make a 2019 livable. They don't show you that. But here I am. I don't do it because I love this truck. I do it because I know where I'm going. You got mattresses hanging off the bed, too wide. You got another mattress here that just don't fit, so it's no need for me to take it out the pack. Life of a driver. Let's get it.